Hey, welcome back to Spa Kingdom. So what we're going to talk about today is water testing. So water testing seems like a pretty simple thing. Sometimes it can be a little confusing. So we're going to go ahead and go through how to actually collect a water sample and how to test the water for yourself as well. So if you're not a do-it-yourself kind of a person, or you got way too much coming in, or your water for some reason got way out of whack, what we want to do, you're going to take this bottle that we included with your spa purchase and open this guy up. Now, whenever you get a water sample, what you want to do is take your water sample bottle, put it 8 inches below the surface of the water, which you can do halfway up your forearm is a good kind of indicator for that. Let it fill all the way up. And then go ahead, pop the top on it, and then bring it immediately into us at Spa Kingdom. The reason you want to bring it 6 inches below the surface of the water is because all the stuff like body oils and all that kind of junk is going to want to float on the top of the water, and that's going to change how your water is actually going to test in the system. So to get the best reading, 6 inches below the surface of the water. Now, if you are completely fine with kind of doing the chemicals all on your own and you're going to test your water, what you have right here is going to be the test strips that you purchased with the spa, or that came with the spa when you purchased it. What you're going to do, you can take your little handy dandy measuring tool right here, or your water sample bottle, 6 inches once again below the surface of the water. What I like to do is kind of cut my hand over the top, that way I'm not picking up any extra stuff when I'm coming up out of the water. Now what you're going to do is take your test strip, immediately dip it into the water, flick off any excess water, and then go ahead and immediately test and see where you land. Right now this guy's got a Nature 2 mineral stick in it, so it's going to read that there's no monopersulfate or chlorine in it. If you are not using a mineral stick, what you want to do is keep your chlorine in the OK range right here. Then we're going to have our alkalinity, which is right on point, right in between your 80 and 120 parts per million. And then right here we have got our pH, which you want to keep between 7.2 and 7.8. That is going to be kind of the basics on how to test your water. If one of those for some reason is reading high or reading low, you can make slight adjustments to it. If it's just kind of really out of whack, bring us in a sample of water to Spa Kingdom. We'll go over and do an in-depth test to make sure that we have got the exact diagnosis for your hot tub. That way we can get it back into shape and get you guys enjoying it as soon as possible. If you have any questions, once again, feel free to give us a call or come into Spa Kingdom, and we'd be happy to explain any of it to you and walk you through the process.